Our story begins in the early 1970s, when the automotive landscape was about to witness a revolution that would forever change the way enthusiasts perceived high-performance driving. In the year 1972, a visionary by the name of Bob Lutz, then BMW's head of sales and marketing, set the wheels in motion for something extraordinary. This visionary ignited the spark that would eventually become the BMW M series. Bob Lutz, a fervent believer in using racing to build an automotive brand's reputation, aimed to take BMW to new heights. His initiative led to the birth of BMW's Motorsport division in 1972. However, this wasn't just another department within BMW, it was a racing subsidiary. Its focus was squarely on officially supporting racing endeavors. Jochen Niersbach, an ex-Le Mans racer, joined forces with Lutz, and the duo laid the foundation for BMW Motorsport. Their initial success came quickly, with BMW clinching both the manufacturer and driver's titles in the 1973 European Touring Car Championship, using the iconic 3 CSL. As Motorsport reveled in its triumph, a new challenge emerged. The CSL, despite its success, was proving to be a financial burden. Motorsport faced a dilemma: either continue modifying production cars or venture into the realm of purpose-built racing machines. This is where partnership with Lamborghini makes an unexpected introduction. BMW collaborated with Lamborghini to develop a mid-engine supercar that would not only meet racing requirements, but also be available for the discerning public. BMW swiftly signed a contract with Lamborghini for a mid-engine fiberglass-bodied race car. Just as the M1 completed its engineering phase, a storm brewed in Italy. Lamborghini was facing a serious financial turmoil, misappropriated funds, and more. This financial fiasco led to legal battles and further delays. In a dramatic turn of events, Lamborghini's striking workers refused to release the M1's parts and prototypes. In an audacious move, BMW executed a midnight raid, reclaiming its property from the beleaguered Lamborghini. They took back what was their own. With the M1's components back in BMW's hands, the focus shifted to production. Ital Engineering, a team of ex-Lamborghini engineers, played a crucial role. The fiberglass body was manufactured by an Italian firm, TIR. Ital Design contributed to the interior assembly. German coach builder Bauer installed the BMW engine and ZF transaxle. The car was actually designed by the industry legend Giorgetto Giugiaro, who designed iconic cars like the Lotus Esprit and the DeLorean. Giugiaro, with his remarkable design skills, shaped the M1's exterior. The M1 was born, featuring 3 versions: the Group 4 race car, the outrageous Group 5 race car with 850 turbocharged horsepower, and the road car. The M1's distinctive white paint, with the now trademark 3-color livery, was introduced originally inspired by a Texaco sponsorship deal that fell through. The M88 engine, mounted vertically for the first time, produced 277 horsepower from a 3.5-liter straight 6. However, the dream of racing the M1 faced another unexpected hurdle. FIA homologation rules required BMW to build 400 street versions before racing could commence. But BMW's production plan limited them to 200 cars per year, stalling racing aspirations for 2 years. To overcome the racing impasse, BMW devised a unique solution, a racing series exclusively for the M1 called Pro Car. This single-mark racing series, though tiresome in concept, had a twist. The series pitted professional drivers from the Formula 1, European Touring Car Championship, and other international series against one another, using identically modified M1 sports cars. The series with substantial prize money added an exciting dimension to M1 racing. Despite the racing excitement, the road version of the M1 faced challenges. It was an unconventional choice for street driving, lacking power steering and featuring an offset steering wheel and pedals. The pricing, originally intended at 100,000 Deutsche Marks, climbed to 113,000 due to production costs. BMW eventually discounted the M1 to 90,000, but sales fell short of expectations, reaching only 399 road cars. As the M1 faced commercial challenges, a turning point unfolded in the legacy of BMW's Motorsport division. The M1, despite being a financial disappointment, laid the groundwork for the transformation of the M series. The realization dawned that people didn't necessarily want a race car for daily driving. They desired a touch of motorsport in their road cars. This revelation set the stage for the descent of M from a motorsport subsidiary to the street car department. The M badge, once associated with a specific motorsport car, became a symbol of performance and sportiness, adorning various BMW models. BMW, understanding the pulse of the market, shifted its focus to delivering sport packages with a touch of motorsport for a broader range of models. The E30 M3, a notable successor, became the winningest touring car ever, despite initial challenges in convincing buyers. The descent of M became an ascent in the eyes of enthusiasts, as the M series continued to redefine high-performance driving. The M badge, once associated with motorsport endeavors, became a mainstream symbol of excellence, inspiring a new era of performance-oriented vehicles.